There's a crazy deal coming for a really good deal. There's nothing in this for me. I'm not being sponsored by LG. Check my subscriber count. There's no way I would get a sponsor for any kind of product for 100 subscribers. That being said though, thank you for number 110. There's another coin for the old college fund. LG is releasing a new dual screen phone. It's not a true dual screen. The second screen is an accessory for $200 that you can attach to the phone. However, it's only gonna be $699.99, so basically 700 bucks plus the 200, so that's $900 for a dual foldable phone. The screen doesn't fold, it's not a bendy screen, but it is a dual screen phone. Kind of like the Microsoft one coming out. I'll make a video about that soon, hopefully. Anyhow, before my battery dies in my camera, I just want to tell you the specs. They're pretty impressive. I'm going to have to do some research on the screen and add that in later. But it'll have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty decent. It will have the Snapdragon 855, just like the Note 10 Plus. So that's not too bad. It'll have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It's going to be released in the US on November 1st. It will be available through AT&T, Sprint, as well as Amazon. And the really cool deal is that AT&T will throw in the second screen for free for a very limited time if you sign up for their 30-month plan. And you get the phone for 300 bucks. This is amazing. Like, again, I am not getting anything out of this. No sponsors, no link in the description below. So I'm serious about this. This is a good deal. If you're into LG, this might be the phone for you. 300 bucks, AT&T. Go check it out. Peace.